Hi! Today, we are touring the Smart Asian Bungalow for sale near Landers and Marquee Mall, located here in Angeles City, Pampanga. Welcome to Howie TV House Tour. Let's go! So as we enter, by the way guys, this property sits on a 300 square meter lot area and 220 square meters floor area. So pagpasok natin, meron tayong malawak na space dito. Meron din tayong access ramp dito for your PWD. You have a pocket garden right here. Very nice. And on this side, meron tayong 2 carport with automated gate which are very convenient. On this side, meron tayong extra space. Tingnan natin. And may sarili rin siyang gate. Guys, ang ganda nung ating wall detail dito. Very classy. Now, let's go to the main door. As mentioned, this is a smart home. Kaya naman meron tayong smart lock dito which can be accessed via fingerprint, card, or facial recognition. Okay? Come on in.
Door open.
Door open. Yan. As we enter guys, since it's a bungalow, na-maximize natin na may high ceiling siya. And of course, merong natural light coming in from sa taas, no? Sa mga windows natin, big windows. You have your living room right here. TV, ayan, installed. Napakagandang chandelier. And of course, meron tayong air conditioning na installed na rin. Okay? Yung dining natin, ito, 6-seater dining table. By the way, guys, everything is included in this sale. No? So, everything you see right here is included. Pati curtains natin and all. Okay? On this side, nandito yung ating kitchen. Diba? May napakalaking counter dito, which can double as your breakfast nook. Pwede na lang, meron kayong high chair dito. Double door refrigerator. Diba? Your sink, your stove, and of course, storage. Guys, ang ganda ng bahay na to kasi maraming storage. So you can avoid yung mga eyesore at mga clutter, no? Ayan. Of course, your range hood. And dito, ang ganda kasi habang naghuhugas ka ng plato rito, meron kang view of outside. Diyan po yung garage natin. Okay. Now, on this side, meron tayong 2 bedroom dito na mirror and 1 shared bathroom. So, silipin natin, okay? Unahin natin itong bedroom sa aking left. Ayan. Diba? Ang laki ng window niya. Natural light. May cabinetry na rin na installed. And of course, air conditioning. Okay? Now, on the other side, ito, kamukha lang din ng kabila. Meron tayong cabinetry, nice space, air conditioning, big window. Yung shared bathroom is in the middle. Ito. Dito po yung inyong sink, toilet, and yung shower. Ang gusto ko dito kasi may natural light din at pwedeng i-open for ventilation. Okay? Now, we go to the service area muna. Meron kang barn door dito. Sliding siya. Okay? And dito yung dirty kitchen natin. You have your range, your sink, and your laundry area. Tapos, of course, dito yung space nyo for your detergents and so on. Then, dito yung exit going to your garage. Okay? On this area naman, sa gate na to, nandito yung inyong pumps for your water and everything. Okay? Now, let's go. Sobrang ganda nito kasi ideal siya dun sa mga taong gusto lang nagkikita-kita yung buong pamilya, 'di ba? Sama-sama kumain, 'di ba? So, ang ganda niya. Now, sa side na to, pwede po itong i-open. Just like that. Tapos, meron ka ditong outdoor space na pwedeng i-open ko ng buo ha. Pwedeng extension ng inyong dining. So, kunyari may gathering kayo, di ba? So, pwedeng mag-overflow yung guest dito. Which is napakaganda rin, tingnan nyo, oh. May wall detail tayo dito. Diba? Maganda mag-picture-picture. Okay ba? Now, tapos guys, ito, walang air conditioning ngayon. Preskong-presko yung bahay. Yan, oh, kita nyo naman. Now we go to the other bedroom. Ito, parang junior master siya. Kasi meron siyang own bathroom. So you have a decent sized bed, big windows, your air conditioning is there. Ready na rin yung console for your TV. You have your dresser over here, cabinetry, and of course your own bathroom. So, one detail na nagustuhan ko dito, kasi may ganito siya, niche siya. So, you can have your essentials dito. Big window din for ventilation. And yung shower niya, merong overhead at merong handheld. Ang galing. Papunta na tayo sa exciting part, the main bedroom. Let's go! So, just beside the other room, ito naman yung main bedroom natin. Pagpasok mo guys, may space ka dito, 'di ba? Then merong stairs going up to your bed area. So ang ganda nito kasi elevated yung ating master bedroom. Meron tayong AC unit, 'di ba? Big windows on each side, and of course yung inyong own balcony. Diba? Dito pwede kang mag-chill, magmuni-muni, diba? Magkape in the morning. Ayan. Napakaganda. Okay? So tayo. Now we go to, of course, the master bathroom. Ito ang ganda kasi, ayan o, pababa kang ganyan. Tapos meron ka ditong walk-in closet. Ito guys, i-install pa to, yung glass nito, pero it is a sliding door. Ayan. Dito yung inyong mga clothes, okay, mga essentials yan nandito. Plus, you have a dresser right here. Diba? Dito ka mag-aayos. Another natural light source. Diba? Very important yan sa ngayon kasi para makasave tayo ng electricity. Now, let's check the master bathroom. So, ito guys, ay, ang ganda ha. Dito yung inyong sink, toilet, and yung inyong shower. What's good about this, meron ulit siyang natural light source and ventilation, and yung shampoo niche nandito. Okay? Ang ganda niya, guys. Okay? Imagine nyo, you're living here, dito ka nag-aayos, yung inyong outfit nandito. So let's do a recap. This house sits on a 300 square meter lot area, 220 square meters ang floor area. It has 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and of course, a beautiful kitchen. Diba? In Japan, they call this the LDK, living, dining, and kitchen magkakasama. If you're interested, this house is priced at 20,500,000 pesos. You may contact me, Harold Olalia from Live Realty, 0956-590-6988. Please follow our page, Live Invest Properties and Livetopia. Until next time, guys. Bye!